What do you think is the correct answer of this sentence? My birthday is in or on the 25th of December. Before we answer that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Lee, and I am a professional and certified English teacher here in the Philippines. I am making English videos for all the learners all over the world who want to learn, improve, or review their English skills. So if you're interested, you can follow me, and together, let's explore the world of English. Going back to this sentence, there are two choices, in and on. They are what we call prepositions of time. But actually, there are three prepositions we are going to talk about today. Prepositions of time: in, on, and at. What are they? When are we going to use them? Let's find out. Let's remember that we use in for general times. For example, in decades, in 70s, in 80s, in 90s, for years, in 2024, in 2005, in 1950s, for months of the year, in January, in December, in March, in April, in May. Now let's go to on. When we talk about specific dates or days, we use on. On the 1st of January, on the 31st of October, on the 1st of April, on the 25th of December, or days of the week. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. Now we use at for specific times. For example, I go to school at 7 o'clock in the morning. 7 o'clock, it's a specific time. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. I go home at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 3 o'clock. At noon, at midnight, at night. Since we already know how to use and when to use these prepositions of time, let's go back to our first sentence and let's try to answer. My birthday is in or on the 25th of September. In this sentence, the time is 25th of December. This is a date, a specific date. And when we talk about date, we use the preposition on. Therefore, the correct sentence is, my birthday is on the 25th of September. Let's proceed to the next sentence. I moved to this city in or on 2018. In this sentence, the time is 2018. It's a year. If we talk about year, we must use the preposition of time in. Therefore, the correct sentence is, I moved to this city in 2018. Now moving on to the third sentence. The train leaves at or on 6 p.m. The time is 6 p.m. 6 p.m. is a specific time of the day. Therefore, we should be using at. The train leaves at 6 p.m. Let's go to the fourth sentence. The meeting is in or on Monday. What do you think is the correct answer? This is your turn to write your answer in the comment section down below. And that's all for today's lesson about prepositions of time. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to write them in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Once again, I am Lee saying congratulations! Your grammar game has gotten better today. See you next time. Take care and have a great day. Bye.